Guys, what's going on? This week on JSpeak, we install some RAM into my new 2019 iMac. Little background story, upgraded to a 2019 iMac, and I only got the base amount for 8 gigs, and honestly, 8 gigs is probably not enough for what I'm going to do, so I want to upgrade. I want to put some more RAM in it, but I didn't want to spend an extra $600 to get 32 gigs of RAM installed by Apple. So as you can see here on their page, it's $600 to do that. That's crazy. So I went online. I took the model number from the Apple website, poked around on Amazon, B&H Audio, a couple different places, and on Amazon I got it for $140 for 32 gigs of RAM. So if I've got my 32 gig plus my 8 gig, I can use all 4 slots, only cost me an extra $140, and I got 40 gigs of RAM. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to lay down a sweatshirt and we're going to pop this off. There's this little like nub thing you can push in. I'm going to use a screwdriver just to pop it open, but the panel comes off. Once we've got the panel off, we can actually insert the RAM. So we're just going to lift this off gingerly, and you can see from the infographic how this actually works if you forget or whatever, but there's these little pull tabs on the side that you can open up. You like pinch them a little bit and they pop open, and you'll see the additional RAM inside. So we're going to pop them in real quick. So now the new RAM went in every other slot because Apple had the RAM in every other slot, and I read on a couple forums before I did this that that's how you're supposed to do it to make sure it works properly. So let's check it out and see how well that works. We're going to pop it back in place, put the cover back on. So now the cover's back on. Let's put it back in the slot, and the moment of truth, let's restart the computer and check how much RAM is in it. Initializing. There we go. Okay, so I got my other hand back. Overall, this was a no-brainer. It was a huge success. It's very easy. You don't need to have technical skills to do this. It's very easy to open up the back of the computer and do this. Now, I was made aware that the 21.5-inch 2019 model does not have the back panel. So if you get the base model there, you're not going to be able to do this. But if you get any of the mid-tier up for the 21.5 or 27-inch like I did, you should be more than okay and more than capable to do this. You don't need a technical background. It's very easy to do, as you saw in this clip. I would encourage you to do it. It's going to save you hundreds of dollars, and you're going to have a much more efficient machine. So I'd highly recommend it. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'd be happy to help you. I'm no computer wizard by any means, but it's totally worth the upgrade. As always, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Many more videos to come. Don't miss one sub.